Workato or Power Automate. Two giants in the world of automation, but which one really delivers? On the left, we have Workato, the integration platform known for its flexibility and enterprise chops. On the right, Microsoft's Power Automate, part of the Microsoft Power Platform ecosystem, making waves with its accessibility. We're putting them to the test in real-world automation scenarios that matter: ease of use, integration support, pricing, workflow capabilities, and more. Let's skip the marketing jargon and focus on what you truly need. Every category gets a score, and by the end, you'll see exactly which tool comes out on top. And trust us, the winner might just surprise you. Let's dive in. So here's how we're going to do this. We're comparing Workato and Power Automate across all the really important stuff: pricing, how many apps and tools they connect with, how much automation muscle they've actually got under the hood, user experience, security, and compliance, which nobody wants to mess up, and, of course, scalability. Think of it as our ultimate automation showdown. Let's kick things off with pricing. If you're already in the Microsoft 365 universe, you're going to notice that Power Automate tends to slide right in. It's basically bundled, so it feels like you're getting it for almost nothing. Sure, those add-ons can quietly stack up, but out of the gate, it's super accessible. Workato, on the other hand, is way more upfront about their pricing, but honestly, unless you've got enterprise-sized pockets, it can feel a bit steep. No free tier here. If you're a small team or an SMB, might cause a little sticker shock. So I gotta give this round to Power Automate. Integration ecosystem. This is the playground for nerds like me. And okay, Workato actually knocks this one out of the park. Tons of enterprise connectors, integration with SaaS, APIs, on-prem databases. Seriously, it's wild. There's a catch though. The deeper you go, the more you need to know what you're doing. Power Automate? Well, nobody plays nicer with Microsoft products, and you get a solid lineup of connectors. But, and it's a bit of a bummer, some third-party stuff just doesn't work as well. So if you want pure integration madness, Workato takes it doesn't work as well. Now, automation power. If you geek out over advanced logic and want AI or machine learning baked right into your automations, Workato really shows off here. It can handle those beastly complex workflows, but you do need someone with a bit of expertise for the custom builds. Power Automate keeps things lighter. It's honestly awesome for simple office tasks, and if you don't want to break your brain, it just works. You do hit limits when you want to do anything wild or super nested though. Advanced folks, Workato all the way. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Workato can automate over 1,000 different apps, and Power Automate flows actually run over 1 billion times every single month. Pretty wild when you think about how much digital grunt's work is just quietly getting done in the background, right? On to user experience. And I'll be real, Microsoft's design just feels instantly familiar. You want drag and drop? Easy. Power Automate even looks like something you already know, which makes jumping in way less intimidating. Workato? It's got a slick UI and it's actually pretty clear when something goes wrong, which I wish more apps did. But mastering those advanced moves does take time. For jump right and simplicity, Power Automate kinda steals this one. Right. Security and compliance. Here's the good news. Honestly, these two are neck and neck. Both have enterprise-grade tools, permission controls, DLP policies, all the serious stuff. Workato's got granular roles. Power Automate's built on top of Microsoft's security goodness. You might need to pay for some features or tweak settings, but either way, you're in safe hands. Genuinely a tie here. Okay, time to talk about scalability. Picture this. Your company's automations suddenly explode from a few little scripts to millions of tasks every month. Workato? It's basically begging for that challenge. Big organization, massive scale. Workato's reliable if you plan things out right. Power Automate is awesome inside a team or project, especially if you're already married to the Microsoft suite, but there are limits on the lower plans that might slow you down. Big ambitions? I'd trust Workato to keep up. So let's get a quick visual recap. Workato dominates when it comes to integrations, raw automation power, and sheer scalability. Power Automate, meanwhile, really shines for most businesses with its pricing and user-friendliness and is, totally unbeatable if you're all in on Microsoft. So honestly, here's my take. If you're at a big company or you need your automations to pull data out of every app under the sun and handle seriously gnarly workflows, Workato is super worth it. But if you're like, look, I just want this stuff to work and I'm already living that Microsoft life, then Power Automate is your best friend and way easier on your wallet. Just depends how big and wild your automation dreams are. If you found this comparison insightful, follow for more actionable tech breakdowns. Catch you in the next